Hey guys, welcome back to the Food Monologue Studios. Today we are going to check out a very healthy and filling soup, the spinach and mushroom cream soup. Boil 3 cups of water and add 2 cups of chopped spinach and allow to blanch for 2 to 3 minutes. Now remove from the boiling water and immerse in ice cold water. This will stop the cooking process and retain the green color of the spinach. Now heat a pan and drizzle some olive oil. Add 2 mushrooms which are sliced vertically and saute them till they are cooked. Season it with a little salt and keep aside. We will use this for the garnishing of the soup. In the same pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter or desi ghee and add 3 pods of finely chopped garlic. Saute them till they lose their raw smell without browning them. Now add 1 bay leaf and saute. Add 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Saute till it gets softened. Add 3 to 4 mushrooms roughly chopped and saute till they are cooked. Now add 1 medium-sized potato cut into cubes. Add half cup of water and allow to cook. Cook covered for 5 to 7 minutes. Uncover and drain and allow to cool. In the meanwhile, drain the spinach mixture and add to a mixer jar. Also add the mixture of onions, potatoes and mushrooms to the mixer jar. Do not forget to remove the bay leaf and blend into a fine puree. In the same pan, add half teaspoon of ghee and add 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour and saute for 1 or 2 minutes. Now add 2 cups of milk to this mixture. Use a whisk to mix this mixture so that all lumps are dissolved. Now allow this mixture to simmer for some time and add the spinach puree to this. Once again use a whisk to mix such that the entire mixture is incorporated. Garnish with salt and a bit of sugar. Grind some fresh black pepper and allow this soup to simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. Now serve hot and garnish with cream and the mushrooms which we have sauteed initially. You can grind some fresh pepper on top again, and your delicious, nutritious and filling spinach soup is ready. The ingredients for making the spinach and mushroom cream soup are displayed here. A link to the written, downloadable and printable instructions is mentioned in the description below. Do check that out. If you like the video, do share with friends and family and give the video a like. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Food Monologues channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.